access specifier in Java. So as we know in OOPS, that is object oriented programming system, here class and object is the most important thing in the any OOPS programming language. So in class object we have some access specifier that restrict or limits some data or properties in the class to access from outside of the class. So let's talk about the access specifier in Java. There are four access specifier in Java. First one is default or no access specifier, no specifier, that is so default is visible in the classes and subclasses of same package. Means if your program is if you are creating 2 classes or 3 classes or n number of classes in same package, you can access the default methods or default variables from any class to any class. So default properties is visible in the classes or subclasses of same package. Next one is public. Public means it is visible to the all visible to the anywhere in the program, in whole program. Means public property can be accessed from anywhere in the program. Next one is protected. Protected properties can be accessed from only sub or derived classes. Means it can be accessed only in the child classes. So next one is private. Sorry, it should be private. Private is most powerful or most restrictive access specifier in any class. The private data can only be accessed within the class. It can never be accessed from outside of the class. It can never be inherited in the child class. It can only accessed inside the class, or it is visible inside the class. So these are the 4 different access specifier in Java program. So let's try this one. So let's write a program. Go to the back, and here we have previous written program that we have already executed previously. Now here, if no static access specifier is written in the class XYZ, means no public, private, protected. So means there is no access specifier, means default access specifier is implemented. So as we have seen, default access specifier can be accessed in the all classes of the same package. So both classes are in same package, so we can access the function add or abc in the main method. So here we can see that we are easily accessing those data. Now let's make it public. So let's make the add function public. So we have written public. Nothing will change because public can also be accessed in the ABC class. Now make it protected. Now protected can also be accessed in the classes of same package. If you have written the XYZ class in another package, and then you try to call the add function and add is protected, then you can't access the add method from the another package if add is protected. So we have not seen it package, so we will see this one also when we see the package or when we go through the package. So here if we make it private, we can't access the add function in main method because private is visible only inside the function only. So and this way we can make the any method to as a private, protected, public. we can make the any variable also as private, protected or public. Like if we write the private before int, then all a, b and c are has become private. So but we cannot access add method here, like x dot sorry a variable here, like a equal to 10. We can't write because a is the private variable, and as we remove the private keyword, you can access the add abc. So but since we can access the private inside the class xyz, so we can access the abc here. So you can put the private, protected, public access to the any variable, any method or any class in different package, obviously, yes. On the basis of requirement of the program, what how much data you want to keep visible to the public, or what data you want to hide from another classes. And that concept is also called data hiding in object oriented programming. So let's move on to the next part of this video. So what's the next video?